Today, I'll be going over my online success coaching bonus bundle. This is something being offered directly from me, but what I'm going to talk about are these special bonuses that are being offered by seven-figure earners online. And it's something that's very special. These are very premium, they're membership sites, and you'll be able to get access to all the training that I'm going to share with you in this video by getting access to the online success coaching program. I'll provide you with the details. Watch till the end and you'll learn everything, and you'll be able to also get my special exclusive report as well. So what is this all about? This is something that is set up to help individuals start and run a successful online business. And this was created by John Thornhill. If you've never heard of him before, he's been online for over 15 years. I met him back in the early 2000s virtually. He became my coach in selling products on eBay. Back in the day, he was just doing very well, killing it, selling ebooks. And it was not his ebooks. There were just a whole bunch of other people's ebooks that people were selling, but he was doing it the best. I saw a bunch of other people trying to copy him, and I realized that he was one of the top sellers. He became a power seller just selling these digital products on eBay. And he eventually transitioned out of that. He realized that he could do better, make more, which he has, by selling his products through his own websites. So he's going to show you how to do the same. And he has a proven track record. This is amongst his multiple coaching programs he's had in the past. He had something called Partnership to Success, and he shares a story, again, coming from a factory background, working on cars, transitioning out of that, and showing people step by step how to build a business online, how to create their own products, even if they're total beginners, people that don't have any experience, where they don't have the authority. And I think that's actually a very big problem when people start selling their own products. They don't have the authority, they don't have the traffic. And then people that might have that, they don't know how to launch their products. So I'm going to tell you something about myself before I go into these bonuses. One of the big reasons why I decided to jump into this, especially as an affiliate marketer. If you don't know me, if you don't know much about my experience, I was really into niche site marketing. I built up hundreds and hundreds of AdSense sites and other websites with display ads and used Google. And I realized that that model just wasn't working as good as it used to. And what I realized that promoting affiliate products, especially high ticket products, was something that I really, really connected with. However, one of the things that people teach you is that you got to get traffic. And if you're getting traffic, people will talk about SEO, they'll talk about getting traffic through paid ads, through solo ads, through social media, so many different ways. But one of the big secrets, and I say it's a secret because a lot of people don't talk about it, it's getting traffic by building up your own set of products and having affiliates promote it. You think about that. You have your own product and you're not just alone trying to get traffic by yourself. You're able to get hundreds or thousands of affiliates to promote your products. And once you gain customers from that traffic, then you could promote just about anything, including your high ticket products. So that's actually a very big thing that a lot of the gurus don't talk about. But John is going to show you how to do that. John is going to offer you his coaching to succeed online. And the first bonus that I want to give you is something called the Power Club membership. This is the Power Copy Club membership. And if you are not familiar with sales, if you're not familiar with the sales process online, and you want to be able to sell without rejection, don't want to deal with all the slimy tactics, you want to build up an ethical business, this is one of the memberships that I want to offer to you. And it provides you with something called the IDA formula. You could look up IDA even on Wikipedia. It's a very popular formula. But this membership that is being offered by these multiple seven-figure earners, they're going to show you how to do this. And it will help you create persuasive copy. That means that you'll be able to sell virtually, whether it's in print, whether it's in video. They'll share the exact sales structure that they've been using to make seven figures online. So it's a templated approach. You can go ahead and use it. and build your own high converting offers. You could use what John is providing. John is, even himself, he doesn't claim he's a copywriting expert. And so he's been able to make seven figures even though he's not a copywriting expert. But if you want to gain a lot of knowledge on this process, this is something that's going to help you out. It's going to help you increase that sense of urgency and be able to prompt immediate action where people want to buy what you're offering. And that can be done by creating highly effective sales copy. So that is the first fast action bonus that I want to provide to you. Next one is the Digital Business Accelerator. This is something that I created to help out some students overseas to build up a business to sell high-ticket products using organic traffic. So if you implement these strategies, especially regularly, you'll be able to generate a bunch of leads and sales. And throughout all these trainings that I'm providing you, you could ask me anything. You ask me, how to get traffic, how to write something, how to use a special AI tool. And I'm also giving you my premium AI tools. And this is kind of like a lifelong learning lesson, meaning that I'm going to be providing you with my lessons over time. This isn't just like just a one-time only thing where I'm just giving you a set level of courses. I'm going to provide you with my content over time. When things change, I want to share what's working today because it's in my best interest to help you build your business. And by doing that, getting traffic is something that you'll need to do. And to be able to do that effectively, I want to be able to help you out. And that's where you could ask me anything. So next one is a premium bonus by another seven-figure earner named Paul Murphy. He has a YouTube channel, but he's going to give you his secrets that he doesn't reveal on those videos on YouTube. And you could find out a lot from this 24-hour ranking system he has. He's going to show you how to get top positions using video marketing. And this is something that I think is something that a lot of people, if you look at this video here, I'm doing this using like a faceless format. And I did that intentionally because when people think about video marketing, they're thinking, gosh, I need to buy all this equipment. I got to buy this top-notch camera. I got to have all these neon lights in the background and show off my room and show off my bookshelf. No, you don't need to do that. You can use these faceless videos, and you also get unlimited private weekly coaching from Paul Murphy himself. And he's going to give you access to something called the 4-day Google Ranking Challenge. And that is going to help you get organic traffic. You'll be able to be placed in the search engines where people can find you and you can promote your offers. So you might be noticing this recurring thread across all these bonuses here. Traffic is extremely crucial. You could build up the best product ever, but if you don't have the people that want to buy that offer looking at your offer, then you're not going to make any sales. And of course, you need to know how to sell if you are promoting your own products. So next thing is this high ticket framework offered by another multiple seven-figure marketer. He's going to share his step-by-step training, and I'm licensed to provide this material to you if you're wondering. And this is something where you will learn how to earn high ticket commissions using his strategy. He's an advanced SEO. He uses search engine optimization to get traffic. And he's going to show you his strategies, especially something using backlinks, a very simple strategy that he uses. So if you are into making high ticket commissions, I'm talking about hundreds or over $1,000 per sale, this is something that will help you out. And then I have something special for people that decide to pick up a bonus and become an authorized partner through John Thornhill's online success coaching program. You will get access to automated list profits. This is another membership. This is where you're going to be able to get access to lead magnets. You might have heard the saying, the money is in the list, and that you can promote products, sell products by giving away free ebooks or free videos. But the thing is that if you are just getting started, to set up a newsletter, set up like this email opt-in form to provide that lead magnet, it can take some time, especially if you're just starting out from scratch. So you get access to hundreds of pre-made lead magnets. You also get monthly updates where you get multiple list building packages every single month for the life of the system. And it's been around for multiple years, by the way. And you will get full private label rights for branding materials. So that means that you could brand these products with your name. So that is something that is extremely, extremely big. It's going to be huge to help you succeed online. And you can generate leads by giving away free ebooks that you could brand as your own. So that is the fifth bonus. And then there's another bonus. This is being offered by John Thornhill, especially during this special launch period. And he's going to give you his proven system for generating online revenue. He has his top selling digital book called Rapid Digital Assets. You'll be able to get access to that. Plus, he's offering exclusive video training with bonus lessons. So what is the difference between this and the online success coaching program? You might be wondering about that. I'll say that this book is awesome, but there's a lot in it. And what John has done that is not in this book is that John has worked together with one of his very long term students, someone that he's met early in his career that helped him build the program, Partnership to Success. His name is Randy Smith. And Randy Smith is someone that has been in the offline sales world for many, many years, selling extremely high ticket products. If you look at these high ticket products online, the stuff that he's been selling is just multiple times that amount, some very expensive items offline. And he has been able to shift to the digital environment industry to be able to sell products. But in John's program, the online success coaching program, you get access to 27 tools that Randy Smith is offering that is all focused on AI. So that is the biggest difference. You are able to leverage the power of artificial intelligence to build your business faster than ever before. And that is a huge benefit that you get from this program that is not being taught in the Rapid Digital Assets program in the ebook. Another thing here is this is another bonus. You get the Rapid Product Creation Workshop. This is a program, expert-led, John, Omar, they have put something together where it's a very quick course to help you crank out products fast. And this is something where it doesn't offer the type of the level coaching that online success coaching program has, but they have provided you with a very quick strategy to be able to crank out, again, courses, ebooks, video courses very fast. I would say that this is a great bonus. It's something that supplements online success coaching program. But if you are in the beginner stage, if you have never ever launched a program before, if you have never gotten a lot of traffic to your product, been able to recruit a bunch of affiliates, or maybe one of those areas you want to actually get extra assistance in, because like, let's say for myself, I'll just tell you my story that I've actually released a bunch of products since I've started, but I haven't been in the situation where I've had thousands and thousands of affiliates promoting for me. So this is something that you could learn from John himself, someone who has done it, and his students that have done it, people that have been in his previous program, Partnership to Success. They are in the community as well. So you get to tap into that community. You get to be able to get joint venture partners. You get to find affiliates, and you get to learn the full cycle from the beginning stage, ideation, to launching your product and having affiliates promote it, and much more. So if you are ready to learn all about this, learn about more about my bonuses, I do have an exclusive report that I put together. Just make sure that you grab this bundle, and you could get it by checking out the link in my description where I'm offering my exclusive report on the online coaching program that is being provided by John Thornhill, the online success coaching program. So check out the link in my description, and thanks for watching.